Hello, how are you? Stay safe in the current situation. Welcome to my channel Drawing Time with Story. Today I will draw some fun toy fans. The fans. It has a history, a long history. Let's draw and listen to the history, and obviously I will tell a story about the magical fan. When my daughter was only 1 year old, we bought a charger table fan for her, but she was so scared when I turned on the switch of the fan. She is very genius. She found a solution herself. I tried my best, but I failed, and then she found a solution. She said, Mommy, mobile fan. Okay, I am telling the meaning. The meaning is she wants to see the videos of fan. Then I searched about fan. I saw a huge collection of fans from 1920 to 2019. I always say that when a baby is born, a mom is also born. We are learning many things from my daughter. Okay, the fan collection was very amazing. The 1920s people rocked, actually rocked. Their royalty amazed me. Finally, I found an Indonesian channel, Bunda Kamarai. An awkward name but very useful. There, a family showed various types of toy fans. My daughter spent hours and hours to their channel, and gradually her scare of fan diminished. So today, I drew some fun toy fans inspired by Bunda Kamarai. Okay, now I am going to tell the magical fan story. Once there lived two brothers in a village. The elder brother was rich and dishonest, but the younger brother was poor and kind to people. One day there was nothing to eat in the younger brother's home. The children were crying, the wife was upset. What will he do? He went to the elder brother's home, but he was insulted and had to come back without nothing. The younger brother was so upset, and in the path he was crying. Suddenly he met with a mysterious man. He asked, Son, why are you crying? The poor man told him what happened with him. Then the mysterious man gifted him a magical fan. He added that anyone can get anything from the fan what they wish, but they have to put a red cloth upon the fan to stop it. That was the secret. The fan can switch on everyone, but you have to know the stopping technique. The poor man go back to home and he was very happy. His wife was very happy to see that the children were feeding, and they were very happy. They got new clothes, new home, and many things. Their financial condition started to increase, but the miraculous situation was the wealth amount was more than the elder brothers, which made him very jealous. He was very curious how the situation changed. Some days ago, his brother used to come to him to beg to take something from his home, but he was very jealous. He couldn't give it. But what happened? That changed the younger brother's situation. He began to spy. One day he saw a magical thing. He saw the magical fan was giving the things which was a wish of the younger brother and his wife and their children. The fan was continuously give, and they were they take from the magical fan. But the elder brother was very silly. He didn't see until the stopping situation. That was the turning point of the story. Okay. Then next day, the elder brother stole the magical fan from the younger brother's house. Then the elder brother went to his home and took his wife that we are shifting to another village with a magical fan. The greedy wife was so excited what was happening to them. The two people were crossing a boat with the magical fan, but they were so excited that in the of the middle of the river they wanted gold coins. The fan continued to give the gold coins and they died both under the pile of the gold coins. So don't be greedy, be kind to poor people and help each other, and subscribe my channel for more drawings and more story. Bye, see you next time.